How to draw a watermelon. Draw a small straight line on the left side of the page. Draw a diagonal line on the left side of the page. Draw a contrasting triangle towards the right. Draw another line exactly parallel to the right line. Join the right line with the left line through a semicircle. Draw another semicircle above the first one. Draw a third semicircle over the second one. Now shade the outer skin of the watermelon with a pencil. Lightly shade the semicircle with a pencil. Draw randomly placed seeds inside the watermelon slice. Draw a large circle on the top right-hand side of the triangle. This circle is the bigger watermelon. Make a swirly stem on the top right-hand corner of the watermelon. Evenly shade the whole watermelon. Now make jagged stripes inside the watermelon. Space them out evenly.